Today we're going to be going over a little maintenance, greasing the tie rods and the chain. It's pretty simple. Simply remove the chain cover and use any type of high pressure grease will work just fine. And you simply brush the grease on the tie rods and simply brush it on there. You can, if you want, just move the chain or move the yoke up and down so you get the whole chain. And now we're going to do the tie boards. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Now we're going to replace our cover. Put the screws back in. All right. Now once you got your cover back on, you're just going to move your yoke up and down to smear that grease all around. Take it completely down and completely up, and that's it.